I got involved in the Analytics Center through meeting with a lot of the professors and taking their classes, and they mentioned the Analytics Center, and I thought that'd be a really fun and engaging way to, boost my resume, but also meet a lot of important connections for my future.
So working with the Analytics Solutions Center has really helped me professionally in that it's given me actual real-world tactile experience. Now when I interview and they ask about projects that I've worked on, I have actual experience to draw and I can tell them about actual projects that I've worked on.
The Analytics Solutions Center really does a good job of focusing the skills that you do have and allowing you to put it into professional practice and see if that's actually something you enjoy. In my case, I was very much kind of floundering and had no idea where I was going, and working with Monumetric at the Analytics Solutions Center was a fantastic springboard, and they ended up hiring me after the work that we did, giving me a plethora of skills that I could take to other companies, but them hiring me on as a data scientist from the start was just an absolute dream to come true.
The experiential learning that they get in the Analytics Solutions Center is, for me, something new and exciting, and I think it provides enormous benefit for students to see these things in the real world as actually practiced, and to be a part of a Scrum team or an Agile team and to be coached and to actually have to deliver answers to real stakeholders makes it a more sincere game for them.
When you work with a student one-on-one or in small groups, you understand what drives them, and that fuel drives you. So it's this shared symbiotic relationship between student and mentor to challenge me and then also to challenge them. And I feel like learning is something that we all want, and what better way to do it than within this mentorship relationship.
In the beginning of almost every project that I've been on, I felt like I wasn't sure what I would contribute. I felt like I had the least knowledge out of all of the team members, and I was really nervous to be a contributing member, and I didn't want to fall behind and drag people behind. But what I've learned is that I can learn anything that I set my mind to, whether I'm working on a Tableau dashboard or programming the recommendations for a homepage. I know that I can learn what is necessary and apply that and bring value to a team.
So I think that's one thing I've learned is you can do the impossible, and it just takes a little bit of time, and sometimes you have to learn on your own, and sometimes it's a bit of a struggle. But that's one thing I think the ASC has really taught me is you can do the impossible.
So something that I find exciting about working with students is when they find something about the project that they really enjoy, and they maybe identify something new or a skill that they didn't think they had that they really excel at. And I think being able to help students realize what they really excel at is something that's so rewarding.
These projects will provide a unique opportunity for our students to learn from the best, enhance their both hard and soft skills, and become familiar with the latest technology out there. And on the other hand, our corporate partners are able to save a significant amount of time, money, and effort in their talent hunting process.
The impact of the Analytics Solutions Center projects to the student has been enormous. Not only has it filled their resumes with skills and allowed them to go on to professions including data scientists and analysts, but many of the students have been hired directly by the companies that they did projects for.
If you're thinking about working at the Analytics Center, absolutely do it. It's been one of the best things that I've done in my career and life, and I've met so many great workers, people, professors, etc. I just love our mentors. They are my favorite people ever. I feel so lucky to work with them, and I would say that their focus and purpose is to help us succeed.
I have loved all of the mentors that I've worked with. The Data Analytics and Information Systems department has an amazing group of professors and lecturers.
For any student who's interested in working with the Analytics Solutions Center, I would say go for it, give it a go. And it's okay to feel a little bit out of your depth, because the projects that you're working on are going to make you feel out of your depth. But you have great mentors, and it's a great place to learn and get experience.